Did you know there is a systematic, straightforward way to persuasively make your point? Unfortunately, most people don't know how to do it. What most people do is dump data. They reach into their house of data and they throw everything and the kitchen sink at their audience. This is ineffective. It can confuse your audience, lose your audience's attention, or have them focus on the minutia instead of your main point. This is why many presentations, meetings, and conversations fail to produce the results the person speaking hoped for. The audience is left thinking, what was the point? That was pointless, or that wasn't very persuasive. Great ideas that are unshared or poorly shared end up in the dustbin. So for you to thrive professionally and to grow your organization, you need to share your ideas in a persuasive way. Persuasively communicating your point requires 4 things: clarity, credibility, relevance, and repetition. Clarity, credibility, relevance, and that's right, repetition. Your audience has 4 questions in their mind when you attempt to share your point. 1, clarity. What is your point? 2, credibility. Why should I believe it? 3, relevance. Why should it matter to me? And 4, repetition. What was your point again? If any of these are missing, you'll miss the mark and your audience will miss your point. Thanks for watching. If you got value from this video, share it with your colleagues and friends and subscribe for more content just like this. And we will see you in the next video.